Okay then, this is another of my tutorials. One of the last ones I'm going to be doing on the Behringer compressor. We've gone through the system limiter, the compressor, and now I'm going to take you through the gate function of this. Okay, the gating is used to reduce low level dBs going into the mic. Now imagine your room or pub or venue is full of rowdy people, and all that noise is going to be going down, feeding back through your microphone, and that is unwanted noise. Now imagine when your band starts playing, without anybody singing through the microphone, all that noise from the band playing is now going to be feeding through your microphone. More unwanted noise. So today we're going to show you how a gate can actually stop that from happening and gate off those unwanted low dB noises. Now it will be low dB because nobody's going to be shouting through the microphone until they're singing, but well, at least hopefully not. So now we're just going to have a look at this expanded gate, and you must turn it on. So you turn it on there, and it's using the controls of the compressor as well. But what you do is you just turn this to off position at the moment, which is all the way down to the left, and above here you've got a green light. And here, you can now hear me, you've got a red light. When that flickers to red, that means it is in gate mode. Okay, now you imagine a farm gate, okay, letting some sheep through, and when it's nearly closed, it can only let some sheep through. And that is because exactly what we're going to be doing here. We only want the very loud levels coming through, okay? We don't want small levels coming through of the band playing and the crowd shouting. Now, as I go to turn this up, you can see we're in the green here, so we're going into positive input gain. And you'll see in the reduction gain in a minute, it will reduce straight off, so it will take it all the way off. Now I haven't spoken, but you can tell when this is all the way down, like there, and that red light is on, that has now turned the microphone to off. And when I speak, it automatically turns on because it's got to the higher level, and it's thinking, well, you've now turned that knob or that pot up to so that's the position, the level you want it on. Now if I turn it up, I'm now going to have to speak much louder for it to trigger. Otherwise, if I turn it up to there, it's not triggering at all. Until I shout a lot louder. Okay? So you want to get a good difference, and usually, I mean, I leave it on about -30, and that's about where you want it. If you've got a lot of background noise, then you're going to have it up a lot louder. And you've also got to think, when you turn it up too much, you're going to start missing the first start of the sentence, and you're going to miss out the last part of the phrase or the word. So you want to make sure it is on correct. So that's how we do some gating rather. And now we've gone through the limiting and we've gone through the compression. And the last thing on the list will be to do is the side chain, which we will be doing very soon. So that will then bring to a close all the functions of the Behringer compressor. Thank you very much.